Welcome back. Indian Navy is playing a vital role in fighting sea piracy along the African coast. Goa too has a major role in this mission. Flag Officer Commanding of Goa Naval Area Rear Admiral Balwinder Parhar proudly announced it on Navy Day on Wednesday.
Piracy has come much closer to our shores. Water jet fast attack crafts based at Goa have successfully intercepted pirate vessels and captured a number of pirates in past. As Goa has a number of seafarers who work hard at sea on merchant ships, I'm sure our action against pirates does a lot to assuage their feelings of fear when they sail out.
Navy Day 2013 celebration was held at INS Gomantak based in Vasco on Wednesday. Governor Bharat Virvanchu and other noted personalities were present at the function. Governor released a souvenir, Indian Navy, Maritime Security through Self-Reliance, in order to mark the 60 glorious years of naval aviation. A spectacular display of aircrafts and Navy's band display was the main attraction. A reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Goa's first Arjuna awardee, Dr. Ottilia Mascarenhas, has warned that she will return her award if she doesn't get back her ancestral property grabbed by an organized syndicate. She alleges that her property in Porvorim was sold by an impersonator in the name of a deceased uncle, Jose Fernandez. Dr. Ottilia wants justice.
This, what you see in the background, is my ancestral home. It is in the name of my Dr. Ottilia Mascarenhas and my brother, Oscar Anthony Mascarenhas. I was suddenly given information, middle of October, that strangers are on this property of mine. This house, which is very dear to our heart, which we have grown up from a child's age, that strangers are here having parties, changing the entire scenery, cutting down fruit trees. I want to get this beautiful house of mine back to me. Those who have put a lock on this illegally, who have got a sale deed made and showing the court a sale deed in the name of my uncle, Jos Abito Pinto, who died 12 years ago. They have brought this man to life, who has a PAN card. He's got an PAN card from Bombay, Aadhaar card from Pune, and this property is in Goa. How can this be possible? Which government official has allowed a sale deed to be made with a dead man's name? I am fighting for justice, and I am going to give my Arjuna Award back to the government, to the President of India, if me, who has taken so much service for the country, is being treated so badly.
32 clubs from the state will be in action in the Airtel Beach Football Challenge at Calangute from Friday. Sporting Club de Goa is the only I-League club to field a team in this annual GFA event. Local club Calangute Association will be the favourites to retain their title.
The Airtel Beach Football Challenge was announced on Thursday during a press conference in Calangute. The winners will get a prize money of 30,000 rupees.
The winners take home a purse of 30,000, whilst the runners-up will take home 20,000. We have also instituted, for the very first time, individual awards. So the top goal scorer gets a purse of 2,500, whilst the best goalkeeper at the tournament will take home 2,500 as well.
Bharti Airtel, I think, has been on the forefront and very closely associated with Goa and with soccer at large, be it in Goa and across India. You know, we have been the title sponsors of the Goa Premier League. We have sponsored the I-League, okay, and we are taking it to the next level by sponsoring the Goa soccer event that we are having along the beach.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Par.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.